Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a Naramah hammer using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a dense foam block for the hammerhead, a sturdy wooden dowel for the handle, and some craft foam sheets for details. Also, prepare hot glue, acrylic paints in black and gold, a utility knife, and sandpaper. Don't forget small decorative nails to complete the look. Now, let's craft the main hammerhead. Take your foam block and carefully cut it into a rectangular shape, approximately 8 inches long and 3 inches wide. Use sandpaper to smooth all the edges and corners, giving it a clean, finished appearance. Next, create a hole in the center of one of the shorter sides, deep enough to securely insert your wooden dowel handle. This ensures a strong connection. With the hammerhead ready, it's time for assembly and detailing. Apply hot glue inside the hole you made, then firmly insert the wooden dowel, holding it until the glue sets. Next, cut thin strips from your craft foam. Use these to create a comfortable grip on the handle and add decorative bands around the hammerhead, mimicking the original design. Secure all these foam pieces with hot glue for a robust build. For the final touches, let's bring your hammer to life with paint. First, paint the entire hammer, including the head and handle, with black acrylic paint. Allow it to dry thoroughly for at least 1 hour. Once dry, use gold paint to add accents to the decorative bands and any other details you wish to highlight. Finally, apply a clear sealant for protection and carefully insert the small decorative nails into the hammerhead, completing your Naramah hammer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.